My name is Gina Tang and I'm the founder of Little Shepherds Nature Lab. We are a community-based educational resource in San Diego, California. At the core of my approach is the value of creative self-expression. To empower each child's voice in the world is to allow space for that voice to be explored. When we have space to express those feelings, we actually also have space to really discover what we are compelled by and what feels amazing and exciting and inspiring. This summer, we developed a route. We scouted for places where we could bring groups of kids to learn about gardening, to learn about shepherding, to learn about lumber, reclaimed fallen trees, and how we can tap into the waste stream to create amazing resources and art. We really like to cultivate a mixed-age learning environment. The most important thing that two kids have in common is not typically their age. It's actually their developmental stage and temperament and natural interest. Keeping it open to a mixed-age learning environment allows for those different resonances to unfold. Being outside in nature increases their attention span, it regulates their nervous systems, it boosts their immune systems, it stimulates social engagement, it actually stimulates cognitive processing. There's also a direct environmental need for kids to understand that, for example, the soil under their feet is alive. How the food web and the life cycle and the interconnectedness of all things in nature are relevant to them personally. And that is a felt sense transmission through being outdoors, through being with hands in the dirt, seeds, watching things grow, watching things evolve over time and change with the seasons. The kids can actually take what they're learning and immediately turn around and teach it to the community so that we can have a wheel turning where the kids are actively participating and giving back and sharing the message of the importance of life on this planet and how we relate to it.